Hello students, this is Sunita Mishra. So as you know that we are studying the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Chemical reaction and equation. And yesterday we studied about the combination reaction. Now today I am going to tell you what is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition means that is the breaking down of any substance. And so how can we define the decomposition reaction? So it can be defined that when a reaction is carried out, when a compound splits into or breaks into two or more simpler substances, then that reaction is known as the decomposition reaction. Now the decomposition reaction are carried out by something, that means maybe there should be light or heat or electricity that should be provided, and due to these effects the decomposition of the substance takes place. Okay, so and we also see that it is just opposite to the combination reaction. How? Because in combination reaction two or more things combine to form a new product, and here one product decomposes or breaks into two or more products. So it is just opposite to the combination reaction. Now suppose I am going to give you one example of a decomposition reaction. Then when calcium carbonate, okay, CaCO3, what is the formula? That is CaCO3, that is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So you see the reaction, it will be CaCO3, that is a solid, and it decomposes while heating into CaO, that is a calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Now as I told you that decomposition reaction is carried out by either heat or light or electricity. So first I am going to tell you one example where the decomposition reaction is carried out by providing the heat. And when decomposition reaction is carried out by heat, then that is known as the thermal decomposition. So when we will see it more clearly by giving one example. So when potassium chlorate, now what is the formula of the potassium chlorate? It will be KClO3. It is going to be decomposes while heating into the potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Now here you see the manganese dioxide MnO2, that also present here, which acts as a catalyst. Now what is a catalyst? A catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of the reaction. Okay, so this is the example of a reaction where the decomposition reaction is carried out in the presence of or while supplying of the heat. Now I am going to give you one example where the decomposition reaction is carried out by using the electricity. So we know that the water that is going to be electrolysis process, and it decomposes into the hydrogen and oxygen gas. So here the water that is going to decompose in through the electricity into the hydrogen and oxygen gas. Now we see that there are two parts of hydrogen and one part of oxygen. It means that water is a compound in which the hydrogen is having two parts and oxygen is having one part. Okay, so this is an example of a decomposition reaction where the electricity is used to carry out the reaction. Then I will tell you one more reaction where the decomposition reaction is carried out by using light. Now suppose silver chloride, what is the formula? It is AgCl. The silver is Ag and chloride is Cl. When it is exposed to light, it decomposes to form silver metal and chlorine gas. The reaction is as follows, that is the AgCl that will decomposes on light to silver metal and chlorine gas. Now in this reaction, the white color of sodium chloride, silver chloride changes to grayish white due to the formation of the silver metal. And so it is also an example of a decomposition reaction, but here what is used as a stimulus, or what is used as a thing, that is the light. So we will see that decomposition reaction are the reactions, those are carried out either by heat, light, or by electricity. So up to this I will tell you the next reaction in my next class.